So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to search for Windows Calculator. You're going to click on this. Make sure that you actually have it installed. If you don't, then you're going to install it. See if that works for you. For the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on it. Now once this comes up, you're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in calculator. Now for some reason, if it appears here, then you're going to click on app settings. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on terminate and then click on reset and then click on reset again. You now want to reset the calculator. And now after you reset it, try to open it back up again and then this should now fix your problem.